Hey y'all, I'm like not even dressed to like do a video right now, but I'm so excited because I just got my not consumed package that I ordered using their back to school sale. And I'm like, I can't wait to open this till tomorrow. I want to open it right now. So I'm just gonna jump right in and come how I am. This is how Wendy looks when she's not filming a video. Anyway, so they're having a huge back to school sale. I believe it's up to 25% off, and this video will come out tomorrow. I think the sale will still be on. Let me double check. Yes, so by the time this video comes out tomorrow, the sale will be on for 5 more days. But if not, these are still really, really fun things that you can grab, and their products are really affordable either way. But anyways, everything will be linked in the description. So the first thing that I grabbed was another one of their scripture reading journals. Now I grabbed a couple of these for me and for my oldest 3 children to do next year, and it's scripture memorization. And I looked at the youth one and I'm like, dude, I want to do it. So I really believe in having God's word stored up in your heart, like it says in Psalms 119. And so I just was like, I'm gonna grab this and do this right alongside my kiddos. And they're like really solid passages of scripture that you're going to be memorizing. It is a total of 30 scripture passages that you're memorizing. And so this is what we're going to be working on next year as a family, and I'm so excited about it. So I grabbed my own so that I can work on it during my quiet time. So it's the youth scripture memory journal. The other thing I grabbed were their planners. Now, Plan, Prep, Pray, I love a good planner, and their middle school planner was so good. One thing that I love about the middle school planner is that it has all these different types of like resources, as well as like a little ruler, some fun little stickers to go alongside it. But most importantly, these front planning pages, I just find to be really good. My son is currently doing a Victus study, which is going over different study techniques and learning how he learns best and different things like that. He's doing a class on that over the summer, and so I just thought that this would be such a great thing to go alongside it for his upcoming school year, where he can set his annual goals, he can set semester goals, different habits that he wants to work on, and see his year at a glance, and just different fun things, mark his own attendance and different things like that I'm super excited about for him. And the other thing is they have a calendar as well, and a weekly checklist. Now, it is not like a daily type of planner as much as it gives you like your weekly assignments. You can write them here, and you can write your different subjects and write that and check off that you did them. So it's not very much like I read this page to this page and stuff like that. It's more like it was done, check it off type of thing, which works better for my kiddos. All that to say, Katie from Life in the Mundane has a very good video going over all the planners that Not Consumed Ministries offers, and I will go ahead and have that linked in the description for you guys if you guys want to catch that as well. But I went ahead and grabbed their middle school planner, as well as their elementary school planner, which is set up very differently than the middle school planner, so definitely check out that video. I grabbed the primary school planner for my K-4 daughter, and I grabbed the primary school 2 planner for my first grader. I also got these an extra tabs. I had gotten some tabs already for my 2 oldest kiddos, and so I'm like, I want some tabs for my Bible. So I went ahead and grabbed a set for me as well. And I got their prayer journal. Now I'm super excited about this prayer journal. I've heard such good things about it. All right, so this prayer journal has daily prayer pages, long-term prayer pages, like journaling pages, suggested scriptures that you can pray, chronological Bible reading plan, a storage pocket, bookmarks that like snap in, and stickers. And so I have been writing down my prayers, and I have found that to just be work really well for my focus and work really well for me to go back and see how God has answered my prayers. And so to have, because I've just been using a regular notebook, and so to have something just a little more structured, a little more, I don't know, it's pretty. So I'm super excited about this, and it's simple and easy to use, and I think it will really I've already seen the effects of writing down my prayers, so I think this will just only help to reinforce what I've already been doing. And so yeah, daily prayer journal. And the other thing I grabbed was their homeschool planner. Now, Not Consume's homeschool planner kind of, it helps you to organize your homeschool. So it helps you come up with an annual plan, as well as monthly goals, and as well as different goals that you can set for each one of your kiddos. And so I love that aspect about it. It's not a daily planner, you know how like you would plan every single day. It's not really set up to be used that way. And so I am super excited to just be able to have something that helps organize our homeschool more on a monthly type way. And yeah, so I've heard such good things about it, so I'm happy. I'm so excited to be trying it out this year, and I will give you guys more of a full review once I've actually used it for a couple of months and see how I'm liking it, because I'm like a real planner. I didn't want to say real planner snob, but I have really specific things that I look for when it comes to planning and planners and different things like that. So I grabbed their planner. And the last thing is a gift so all this I bought because I love their stuff, but they did send me some fun things, and one of which is their reading journal for grades 6 through 8. Now, the way that we have reading set up this year is, and I will have a video coming up to talk more about that, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that video when it comes out. But the way that we have it set up this year is I'm pretty much going to have an array of different readers for my kiddos to choose from. So there's going to be like a basket full of different books for them to go pick and choose from during their designated reading time. And so this reading journal is going, oh, I got 2 of them. So I got grades 2 through 5 for my 4th grader and grades 6 through 8 for my 7th grader. And so they're going to be utilizing these reading journals to really assess their reading and what they're reading and how they're learning and different things like that. And so as I utilize these journals more, I will definitely do a review to let you guys know how it turns out and how it is working for us. But anyways, that's all the things that I got from Not Consumed. Not so bad, right? But definitely check out that link, utilize that discount. I love their daily journals. I love their study guides, and I love their devotionals and all the things that they have there. I can't speak enough on how good and wonderful their things are. So definitely check out the link and check out all those resources. I haven't gotten a thing from Not Consumed yet that I haven't found to be rich and just full of wisdom and just really enhanced our homeschool experience. Let me know in the comments if you've used Not Consumed before. What one thing do you love the most from them? So until next time, bye y'all.